welcome back to the Pink Envelope. Today we are unboxing Globin. Globin is a lifestyle home artisan box. I actually never can decide what word I would use to describe them because they have a little bit of everything, and over the years they have grown and expanded their offerings. So what I do know is that I love Globin because their goal and mission is to reduce global poverty, and that they are sustaining goods that are ethically made across the world. They are unique, one-of-a-kind handmade items. What is cool about this box is it's kind of like Bespoke Post, where it is a monthly subscription and it's $38 a month. If you prepay, it gets cheaper per month. They have a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Love your box, or within 30 days, you can contact them and let them know that you need a refund or what the issue is, and they will do it. Their customer service is outstanding. So this is my box. Very excited about this box. Another thing that they do is they have a preview. So they email you a preview of your box. If you like it, you click ship it. If you don't like it, you can swap it for one of the other boxes that they're currently offering, or a past box, or you can just click skip. It's super easy. So this one I chose. This is the Potluck Box. So I know kind of what's in here. Like, I saw it online, but it's always so much better in person. I am so excited about this. I'm doing a remodel on my kitchen, and I'm gonna do one wall with all of the cutting boards hanging on it. I know everybody's doing that right now. I just love the trend, and I'm jumping on the bandwagon. So I'm super excited about this guy. It already has its little hangy thing. It's so chic. So this is the mixed cutting board, granite and wood. It's from Morocco. It talks about the two artisans who made this cutting board, and it says, I don't know how to say their names, are here to help you create the cutest eye-catching cheese or charcuterie plate. Well, I want to say thank you, because this is going to be so perfect with that design. I also got this guy. I mean, can y'all see the colors in this? The texture is awesome. I'm such a sucker for baskets or anything that can hold or gather things. The jute and recycled sari bread basket was made by a lady in Bangladesh. And then I also got this pot. Now, I don't know how to say the word, like it's spelt C-O-C-E-T-T-E. And honestly, I don't even exactly know what it's supposed to do. I just know that the color on it is gorgeous, and I'm always looking for cute little servings. So like, imagine putting your green beans in there and serving it like this. That would be so, so cute. I chose this box. If you like it, it's called the Potluck Box. So when you go to subscribe online, you can choose this box if they haven't sold out. When I was making my selection this time, I was stuck between 4 to 6 different boxes that I wanted. And that's one of the things that are really cool. You can order multiple boxes if you want. They have an add-on shop in there that is great, and it's got all sorts of things in it. But let's say next month I just want to add one of those boxes I've already been eyeing in. You can. Globin is not telling you what you have to get in your box, but rather making the customer service aspect first. And so they're not only taking care of artisans from around the world and helping source ethically made goods, they're taking care of us and making sure it's easy for us to get the things that we want in our boxes. Okay, just playing on their website a little bit, this is what it says. Shop ethically. Discover unique and ethically made products handmade by remote artisans around the world. Every dollar you spend equals jobs created and fair wages. Globin subscribers save between 30 and 70% on exclusive sales, from box add-ons and VIP sales to exclusion collection launches from our artisan partners. So not only are they providing jobs, they're saving us money and putting products in our hands that we would not normally be able to get to, which I think is like the key with this box that I really love. On their artisan impact, it says that 3,500,000 has been invested into artisan communities. They have 11,400 artisans they work with, 50 plus countries that they source products from, and 770,649 products purchased from artisans in just the last 3 years. That's really cool, you guys. If you wanted to dig in a little deeper on how the artisans are paid fairly, they have a whole breakdown on their website about how they do it, how others do it, how wholesale works. If you are a Globin subscriber and you know the name of a past box that you've gotten and you love it, put it below so people can, if they don't know where to start or they don't know which boxes are awesome, list yours down there so that they can just go order your exact box. If you're a Globin subscriber and have a really cool story, I would love to hear it. I'm gonna run off and decorate because I bought all of these things with a purpose and I'm so excited. If you have any questions, reach out. You can subscribe below. Latest coupon offers and links are always right down there. I hope that you have an amazing day and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.